Hello students, my name is Cristina Silva and I am your English teacher. I welcome you a new class English because today we will to learn about the regular and irregular verbs to use in the past. Are you ready? Okay. The first situation problem or problem situation is the question, what did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? How can I answer this question in past? So, you know the rulers? You know the grammar? Tell me something. Okay, in past, when I want to express in past, I need to use the grammar with the simple past. What is the simple past? I used simple past to talk about an action at the end earlier than the current one. The duration isn't relevant. The time in which the action is situated can be the recent past or the straight past. What do you need to know? The rulers about the verbs regular and verbs irregular. What is the rulers about the regular? You need to remember each ruler because when you speak or you write the verb, you need to check is regular or irregular. When you use verb regular, you need to add the particular ed. The first ruler, when the verb finish in vocal e, you need to write only d. When the verb final in y, you need to change y to the letter I and add ed. When the verb have consonant, vocal, and consonant, you need to duplicate the final consonant and abrade ed. This is the rulers. If you don't have this ruler in the verb, you only write ed in verb. And in this time, this verb automatically passed in past. What is the other ruler? And I want to explain for example. Juggle, juggled, mop, mopped, open, opened, cook, cooked, clean, cleaned, and carry, carried. This is the example. So what happened with the verbs regular? The only one ruler, the irregular verbs, is me to learn them. You have a list, the specific list, no more. This is the only list that you need to check. You can check in your dictionary, you can check in the internet, or you can say check in your book. Okay? This is the verbs irregular. You can change. You can write ed. This verb is organizing the grammar in English. I want to say in past something, I need to check this list. What is the idea? You only check this verb when you need to speak in past. Okay, let's go to practice. What is the idea? In this class, you need to express in past. So I give you some exercises. The activity 1, you need to write the verbs in parentheses in the past. In each of these sentences, you have 4 sentences. And you have a verb in the parentheses in infinitive. So you need to change this verb in past. How can I say in past, I danced with my wife at our weddings 2 years ago, but in past? Remember what happened the verbs regular and what happened the verbs irregular. You need to check. Activity number 2. Look up the verbs in the past in the alphabet soup. So you need to check this verb: read, ask, do, feel, listen, write, brush, buy, close, and get. But you need to check in the alphabet soup in past. No infinitive, no present, in past. So remember, check your dictionary, your book, or surf in internet, or you can ask me and I help you. The activity number 3, you listened. You listen the verb and you write me in present and in past. For example, I cry, you listen, cried. How can I write? Remember the rulers. What happened with the regular, the verb finishing Y, and what happened finishing E, and what happened have consonant, vocal, and consonant. And what happened, the verbs is irregular. So check the list. And the final test, or the final activity that I need to know if you understand the regular and irregular verb is a video. The students will classify in a box the regular and irregular verbs that appear in the history. What is the history? Let me put a little part with a video. It's a video, maybe you know the story. About the Little Red Riding Hood. I know you know this, but in Spanish. But the idea is you listen in English, and you can see the video, and in this video have some verbs in present. But when the speaker say the story, past the verbs in past. So you need to organize. How can you organize? In a short box. So you need to classify regular and irregular. For example, in the story, the Little Red Hood, you can say the verb follow. And in the past, followed is regular. You can say the verb be is irregular, so you can say was or were. This is the idea. Okay? So I hope you understand. And if you have a question, tell me, because I want to help you. So bye-bye, see you, and I hope to see you the next class.